Hey boys and girls, it's Friday. Yay, finally Friday. Alright, so we're going to wrap up our lesson full on our five senses. Remember, our five senses are remember, sight, touch, sound, taste, and smell. And the body parts that we use those for our eyes, our hands, our ears, our nose, and our tongue, our taste buds. All right, so this week we've learned a lot. We've learned about how our senses help us learn about the world around us and how beautiful things are and how they feel and how they smell and sound and how they look. And so today we are going to use our senses in writing. Use your senses in your writing. All right, so let's look right here for sight. We use our eyes. So I see, and remember, whenever we're at school, Miss Rice will write on the board, I see, and then I'll do the dot, so that no means that you've got to finish that sentence. So if you use this sentence to write, you're going to write, I see what? What do you see? Or it looks like what? And so I'm going to write one of the sentences up here. And I'm going to write, I see pink flowers. Make sure you use your period. I see pink flowers. So I know that I'm using my sight to see. And I told you that I seen flowers. But what color flowers? I told you that I seen pink flowers. Alright, so that's one sentence, but I want you to use my sentence. I want you to use your own sentence. Remember, build your own sentence and sound out those words like this. Ink. Ink. Flowers. And E. Alright, then let's look right here to sound. It says, it sounds like, or I hear. What can you hear? You can write sentences. I'm going to write the sentence. I hear a loud dog barking. I hear a loud dog barking. So I'm telling you my senses is hearing, hear, and I'm telling you what I heard. And I told you it was loud. The volume was loud, not soft. So I hear, using my senses, my hear, my ear, loud dog barking. Okay, remember, use your sentence though, not my sentence. All right, then we're going to move, it's upside down, sorry. Then we're going to move over here to taste. I taste what? Or it tastes like. So let's see, I could write, it tastes like, it tastes like salty peanuts. It tastes like salty peanuts. And there's my period. So my senses is taste, and it's salty. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the next one, which brings us to smell. It smells like, or I smell, what? It smells, I'm going to use it and just say it smells wonderful. Okay? It smells wonderful. Period. So I know I'm using my senses of smell, and I know that the aroma, the odor is wonderful. You could say, I smell bacon cooking. I smell the pretty roses. All right, we've got sight, hearing, taste, smell. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're down to the last one, and it's touch. It feels like, or I feel, well, I'm going to write that it feels like an ice cube. If we could say the water feels like ice. But I'm going to write it feels like ice. Period. It feels like ice. So I've used see for my first one, hear, taste, smell, and feel. There's my 5 senses. See with my eyes, hear with my ears, taste with my tongue, smell with my nose, and feel with my hands. Alright, boys and girls, so what I need you to do, or would like for you to do, is get your writing journals out, and I want you to write me a sentence using a sentence for sight, a sentence for sound, a sentence for taste, touch, and smell. It's 5 sentences. Easy. You guys can do this. I know you can do this. You guys can rock it out. I've seen your work. You've been doing awesome. So, get me a, go get your writing journal, or get a piece of paper just like this, and write me a sentence. Draw me a picture of what you write. If you say, I see the beautiful red car, draw me a red car. Or if you say, I can hear the birds chirping, draw me a picture of the bird flying in the air. Or I taste the watermelon, draw me a watermelon. Yes, that's my favorite. Or I can smell the skunk, the stinky skunk. Ooh, draw me a skunk. Or I can touch the swing set. Draw me a swing set. Is the swing set hard, soft, rough? And it's going to be smooth and hard, you're right. And it's probably going to be kind of cool. Alright, boys and girls, look at this again. Alright, if you need, you can go back and pause this. I want you guys to have a wonderful weekend. I hope everybody made it by to pick up their new packet for our new work, the choice board, and you've looked over it. It's going to be super fun. I'm super excited about it. Alright, have an amazing weekend. It's going to be so nice and pretty outside. Go on a hike, hopefully. Maybe you can go on a picnic, go the Greenway, or just get out in your yard and run and play. Alright, boys and girls, have an amazing weekend. I'll see you later. Love you guys.